Hello friends, this is Subham Kumar from Computer Science and Engineering Department of 6th semester having USN 1VE20 CS146. Today we are going to study about computer graphics and visualizations, and the topic is application of CGV, the application of CGV, that is computer graphics. So the first topic is computer graphics. What is computer graphics? Then till recent the output obtained from a computer has been alphanumeric. It is well known that anything presented in graphical and pictorial form tremendously aids human comprehensions. Examples, that is bar charts, pie charts, sale graphs are commonly used by managers. Building plans perspective view are used by architects. Engineers use mechanical drawing circuit diagrams in their works. There is a Chinese proverb, a picture is worth 10,000 words. Then, then the computer graphics is concerned with the generation, representations, manipulations, and display of pictures with the aid of a computer. The process transform and present information in a visual form. Image created by a computer is called computer graphics. So, what are the computer graphics applications? Computer graphics may be subdivided into three broad areas: generative graphics, consecutive graphics, image processing. So, what is generative graphics? Generative graphic system objectives. It deals with the creation of 2D and 3D pictures, computer aided generation of pictures from mathematical representation. For display animations, pictures may be transformed, rotated, contracted, and expanded. Applications of generative graphics, that is pilot training. In pilot training, the graphic display may be used to mimic the approach of an aircraft to an airstrip as the pilot manipulates the landing controls. That CAD, that design electrical, electronic, mechanical, and structural components and systems. Design circuit support layouts, VLSI chips, aircraft structures, and building structures. Then CAM, manufacturing information such as part list etc. are automatically generated. The great advantages of computer graphics is the possibility of very quick modification, or we can say drawing based on the drawing changes. Next, what is quantitative graphics? The quantitative graphics deals with algorithms to recognize and classify pictures. Applications are classify people's face fingerprints is commonly used nowadays in criminal investigations. Microscope pictures of bacterial colonies, ECG patterns and X-rays of different parts of body to perform ECG patterns, and X-rays of different parts of the body to perform medical diagnosis of patients by using computers. In such application, the pictures are converted to digital form by devices called optical scanner. The digital information is transformed and classified by especially written pattern recognition and programs. Now the second one is image processing graphics. Image processing applied techniques to modify or interpret existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans. It is used to improve and modify the quality of picture. First image is digitized and there are a given color pattern of improving color quality. For example, boundaries making if it is not visible. Two principal uses for image processing are improving picture quality, machine perceptions of visual information as used in robotics. Now, image processing are used to analyze satellite photos of Earth and photos of galaxies. Medical applications also use extensive use of image processing techniques for use enhancement in tomography in simulation of operations. Image processing has a sub-area like image enhancement, pattern detection and recognition, and scene analysis and computer visions. The next one is image processing. Image processing applies technique to modify or interpret existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans, to improve picture quality, to extract information from pictures, to help in micro perceptions of visual information, to apply image processing. The picture of first digitized into an image file. That digital method are used to rearrange the picture parts, enhance color separations, or to improve quality of setting. Next, we can see about pixels and resolution or screens. Then what is pixels? Pixel. Graphic images are made up of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel has a particular address on the screen. Resolutions. It is defined as the maximum number of pixels or dots can be displayed on the screen. Example that 800 by 600 pixels, 1024 by 768 pixels, 1154 by 864 pixels, etc. These are the pixels areas, and that aspect ratio, width, height, what are the name, what are the code of the pixels. We can see, we can usually see in the YouTube or anywhere, any video which we play, that depends on the pixels aspect ratio. Next, what is aspect ratio? The aspect ratio of an image describes the proportional relationship between its width and its height. It is represented as two numbers separated by a colon, that is represented here, that 4 is the width and 3 is the height. 6 ratio 9. A square has the smallest possible aspect ratio of 1.1 in this image. For an ellipse, the aspect ratio denotes the ratio of the major axis to the minor axis. The ellipse with the aspect ratio of 1 is to 1 as in the circle. Next, we can see these are the circles, aspect ratio, bit depth, color resolutions, calculations. You can see. Then this is the display devices. What are the screens we have used? At CRT, EGA, CGV, VGA, SVGA monitors, plotter, laser printer frames, flat panel, LCD, video digitalizer, scanner, LCD, keyboard, joystick, mouse, touchscreen. That all are the monitors or CRT monitors commonly display used. Type of CRT display that we have seen, that DVST, then direct view source tube, calligraphic or random scan display, refresh, refresh and raster scan display. These are the CRT technologies. So thank you for today's.